In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop a photo into a perfect circle using Canva. If you've ever wanted to create clean profile images, social media graphics, or professional-looking designs, this trick is going to make your workflow super easy. Let's dive right in. First, open your design in Canva. This could be a blank canvas or an existing project that you're working on. Next, go to the left-hand sidebar and click on Elements. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type in Frames. Frames are Canva's built-in shapes that allow you to crop and mask images seamlessly. From the options that appear, scroll until you find a circular frame. Simply click on it and it will appear on your design page. You can resize it by dragging the corners and position it wherever you'd like on your canvas. Now comes the fun part. Upload or select the photo you want to crop. Drag your photo directly into the circle frame and Canva will automatically crop it into a perfect circle for you. If you need to adjust which part of the image is visible, just double-click inside the frame and reposition the photo until it looks right. Once you're happy with the placement, you can add text, colors, or other design elements around it to complete your design. And that's it. You've just learned how to crop a photo into a circle in Canva in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to keep exploring Canva's other frames and features. They can seriously level up your designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.